We're a Research One university. We have around 30,000 students. We're considered one of the top universities in the world, one of the top public universities in the United States. We started with Cabletron, which became Enterasys, which is now Extreme. And we have those switches deployed at our access layer throughout campus. So we have nearly 3,000 switches on campus, supporting nearly 60,000 wired connections every day. When we were an Enterasys customer, had a very big build out, and Enterasys was acquired by Extreme. And at that point, we had a decision to make about what we do next. You know, do we continue this path with this new company? And we worked aggressively with the executive team and with their engineering team to figure out what feature sets were missing from the Extreme line, and over a period of about 6 months brought that feature period together and did a lot of testing, and have successfully deployed the Extreme switches, about 300 460G2s within the last year. At this point, we've had no failures. They've been very solid, and what we're finding is that the relationship that we built with Extreme is allowing us to do a lot more with the products than we would be able to do with products from other vendors. To me, as a strategic partnership is when both parties have skin in the game. So that means, from my standpoint, I have to be open to trying new products when, for example, doing the status quo might be good enough for other individuals. So I'm looking to invest in the new product lines. At the same point, where Extreme has the skin in the game is I'm expecting them to develop those products aggressively to our needs and to provide additional support. So for me, the strategic relationship has been able to work with the team to develop the products to do something beyond what maybe they were initially intended to do. And so that is a big differentiator. Where Extreme is different from other vendors is the level of access that I get to senior level management, senior leadership. I can pick up the phone and call virtually anyone in the executive staff and work with them to resolve any issues we have. I've never had that level of access to executives and other companies so freely. So this company, being a $1 billion plus company a year in revenues, really feels much more intimate with regards to relationships with the customer, which there's a lack of arrogance and a real openness to help me do my job.